Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, next step is remove the push rod bearing and bearing housing from the clutch lifter plate. Unscrew the primary drive chain tensioner cap bolt and remove the spring. That's that one under there. That's a 10mm. And a disappearing spanner. And sitting in like that. Release the ratchet on the pad. Push in on the bottom of the ratchet to release the plunger and push the pad and the plunger down. Okay. Next step is to remove clutch and primary drive assembly. So you can make your own tool. I've used a piece of aluminium angle, just fits through about a 45-degree angle to lock in between the two teeth to stop them rotating. As that turns, that will push it in this way. As that turns, it'll push it down that way and keep them both locked in. The one at the front is a 17mm, and the one at the back in the clutch is 24mm. So I'll give the small one a go first. That was very tight. Now I'll do this one, and that wasn't tight. Interesting. It says to pull them both off together with the chain. And to also make note of the direction of the thrust washers. That's a nylock nut. That's just a piece of angle, 70mm long, 20mm wide. It says use steel, I use aluminium, that's why I chose the angle, to give it a bit more strength, just to slide it in. Okay, and then it says to remove the starter clutch thrust washer and take note of the direction it was facing. So I'm just using a little pick tool. It's tucked in at the back. Okay, this has got a bit of step at the back, and has at the front, but less. It's less at the front and more at the back. So I need to make note that that goes on that way. And with this, I've just marked the texture, outside, inside, so I know which way to put that back afterwards. So what I'm going to do is lay everything in here in the same direction. So inside's inside, outside stays outside. That bolt, the front, and then that one will just sit in there. And I can put this on the table with the rest.